got the 408 Clevor fired up, and the first thing that I've got to do after getting the distributor back in is to verify my timing. So you're using Tuner Studio, this is helpful for you. So what you have to do is tell the ECU to give it X amount of timing, and they say in the startup guide 20. So there is a section within here that you can either use the timing from the timing table or give it a fixed timing. Alright, so as you can see, we're looking at Tuner Studios here. You're going to go to your ignition settings and go to ignition options up here at the top. You click that, you'll see you've got a fixed advanced here, and it says use table. So we're going to go to fixed timing. You can see that dropped it down really far. So right now we're at 19. So I'm going to adjust it to use a fixed timing, and then we're going to go to 20. So we'll use a fixed 20 degrees of timing, so it'll run. We'll burn that. And then what we're going to do is go shoot a timing light at it. Alright, so what I ended up having to do here was make new marks on the balancer. Well, and I shouldn't say new marks, but like 40 degrees is right there, so I just extended the line out. This is 30, this is 20, and 20 is where I've got it set at in the ECU. So I'm making a mark here because my little pointer's all the way at the end here. So I just extended my marks here, and then I indicated there with the stars. So I got 0, 1, star, and this is 3, this will be 4, just so I know where I'm at. So now what I'm going to do, start it again and see if I can get that. So I'll just adjust the distributor once it's running to get it to line up. Alright, so the timing light's hooked up. We're clipped on cylinder number 1. Got the power and the ground hooked up. I'm going to start the car, and then we will check the timing marks and adjust the distributor to get it to line up. Alright, so I know you can't see this very well, but my pointer is right down in there. You can see there's that little mark that I made is right there on the pointer now. So your whole goal with this is to get the 20-degree timing mark on the engine to line up with what the ECU is commanding, so that you know once you go back to a non-fixed table that it's correct, and I'll show you that now. Alright, so now that I got the timing set on the distributor, what I'm going to do is go back into the ECU and set it up to use the table now instead of the fixed number that I set. Okay, so once you get Tuner Studios open again, go back to your ignition settings and go to ignition options. And see, this is where I had fixed timing. Timing for fixed advance was at 20. See that right there. to this drop down and go to use table. We'll go to burn it. And we'll hit close. Then we know that it's using our ignition table from here. We know that it's using the ignition from here now instead of from the fixed advance. And again, that's under ignition options. So it's going to be that button right there, your ignition options, or ignition settings, sorry. And then you go to ignition options within there. That'll bring up this, and this is your fixed advance. So you go to fixed when you're setting it, and then go to use table after you've verified it's good. Hey, I just want to say thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. If this is your first time on the channel, I've got a whole bunch of other videos. Check out my playlist, subscribe. I've got a whole bunch of other videos about a lot of cool Fox body stuff, and I've got more coming out on tuner studio stuff and also on just tuning in general. So if you guys found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.